powerful, precise, and ruthless. Polar bears hunt without warning. Attack fearlessly, even against their own kind. Join us to explore top predator beast of the Arctic. The polar bear is one of the most powerful wild animals on Earth. Standing up to 8 feet tall and weighing around 1,500 pounds. Their white fur is a brilliant design that helps them survive. Each hair is hollow, trapping air to provide insulation against the Arctic cold. Beneath In the North Pole, few have such an effective natural shield against the elements. With this lethal weapon, the polar bear is now ready to hunt. Where patience meets speed. It waits motionless by seal-breathing holes for hours, days, showing extreme patience. This stillness conserves energy and ensures the bear remains undetected. When a seal surfaces, the bear explodes into action, reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour in seconds. The combination of prolonged patience and sudden speed results in an 80% success rate, making the polar bear a formidable and efficient hunter. In a rare moment given by nature, a pod of beluga whales suddenly approached the icy coast of Alaska. becoming a large prey in the middle of a winter without food. Without hesitation, the polar bear dove into the cold water, swimming towards the beluga whales with its hunting instinct. In the blink of an eye, it was close to its prey. But the beluga whales sense danger and scatter, their pale bodies vanishing into the deep. In the vast ocean, whale hunting is difficult. The hunt failed, it returned to shore, continuing to search for the next prey. In the Arctic, even the rarest opportunities often end in silence and loss. Every hunt feeds a beast, but how do you create a new generation? After the challenges of hunting, going through 8 months of pregnancy, the polar bear's focus turns to survival of the next generation. A mother digs a deep den in the snow, creating a safe, hidden space. It gives birth to 2 tiny cubs, each weighing barely a pound. The newborns are fragile, thanks mother's fatty milk fuels rapid growth. For 3 months, it nurses them in the quiet, keeping them warm and protected. When the cubs reach about 6 months, it begins teaching them how to walk across the ice, find seal breathing holes, and recognize danger. In the world of wild animals, even the strongest begin as the weakest, relying entirely on their mother's care. The average lifespan of a polar bear is 25 years. But survival is far from guaranteed. Nearly half of all cubs perish before reaching their first birthday. Facing starvation, freezing temperatures, and the harsh Arctic environment. Every day is a test of strength and survival in one of the most unforgiving places on Earth. As survival demands increase, polar bears must also defend their space. In the Arctic, territory is vital for access to food and mates. Each polar bear needs a wide hunting area to find seals and rest on stable ice. It is one of the most shocking behaviors in the Arctic. Adult male polar bears sometimes attack cubs that are not their own. This act is driven by instinct, not cruelty. When a cub perishes, the mother often returns to breeding conditions sooner, giving the male a chance to reproduce. It also removes a future rival from the population. Scientists estimate that around 40% of cub losses happen for this reason. Most attacks occur when food is scarce and bears gather in smaller areas as the ice retreats. Mothers fight fiercely to protect their young, but males are larger and stronger. These encounters are brief and brutal, ending quickly on the ice. Such behavior shows how survival and reproduction shape every part of these wild animals' lives, even at its harshest. The polar bear's fate is a powerful reminder that the future of the Arctic depends on our choices. Protecting these iconic predators means protecting the web of life they sustain. Witnessing their struggle is both humbling and urgent. Subscribe to the channel to follow the journey of wild animals and learn how we can help preserve their icy world.